Namaste. Today I am going to introduce my friend to all of you. Hello. How are you? Say hi to the viewers. You may be wondering with whom I am talking. Yes, you cannot able to see him, but you can able to feel him. He is Mr. Cosmic Energy. Cosmic energy is the life force that is existed everywhere. It is present in the cosmos, between the galaxies, the molecules and in the space. It is essential to maintain the order in the life and expand our consciousness. Cosmic energy is received by being at peace with one's own self and living in the present moment. Blissfulness is the basic characteristic of cosmic energy. It is a state of mind that combines peace, love, and joy. Cosmic energy is the basis of all the actions, reactions to situations, and functions in totality. Our body receives some amount of cosmic energy when we are in sleep, in total silence and peace of mind. Cosmic energy is essential for the following reasons: to maintain an orderly life, to lead a happy and healthy life, to obtain knowledge and wisdom, to completely involve in all the situations in life, and to expand our consciousness. Now we'll see some of the benefits of cosmic energy meditation. Our body and mind are surrounded by an energy field which is nourished by cosmic energy. This positive energy always helps in healing of the physical, mental and spiritual self. Cosmic energy reduces negativity, aids complete healing and creates harmony in life. Some of the physical benefits of cosmic energy are: cosmic energy supports the regulation of blood flow and lower the stress on the heart. Cosmic energy helps in eliminating free radicals from the body. Cosmic energy does wonders in treating all these psychological issues such as anxiety and depression. Cosmic energy aids in healing cardiovascular diseases and develops skin resistance. Cosmic energy helps to improve the memory functions. There is abundant cosmic energy in the cosmos. This energy can be channelized by using chakras, breathing exercise, energy healing, or by seeing the sun. The best and simplest way to acquire the positive energy is through meditation. Now we are going to see how to practice the Omkara meditation. And about the timing, when to practice this, we recommend you do this in Brahma Muhurta, that is about 3:30 to 5:30 am. You can get the best result if you practice during this time. And in case if you can't pick up this time, like who are the late riser like me, can practice in any time. Something is better than nothing. Now we are going to see how to practice Omkara meditation. Okay, before that we will place our palms next to each other and just try to feel it. Some may feel heat, some may feel some energy, some may not feel it. Okay, nothing to worry. Here, with the chanting of Omkaras, we are going to increase our cosmic energy. First, with one inhalation, we are going to chant one Omkara. Then, with one inhalation, we are going to chant two Omkaras into 2 times. Then, with single inhalation, we are going to chant 3 Omkaras into 3 times, and then with one inhalation we are going to chant 4 Omkaras in 4 times. Like that you can reach up to 9, depend upon your breathing capacity. I'll show the example how to chant 3 Omkaras in single inhalation. First we will inhale Om, Om, Om. Okay, like this we'll keep on chanting. Okay, before start the practice, you can sit in any comfortable meditative pose. Siddhasana, Vajrasana, Sukhasana, Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana. After sitting in a comfortable pose, okay, you can keep your palms in a cup shape and try to place it above your thighs. It should be 4 to 5 inches above your thighs. Try to keep your back erected, neck erected, eyes closed, and try to keep a beautiful smile on your face. Take few deep inhalations and deep exhalations. Try to connect with your breath and body and your mind. Now we are going to start the practice. Inhale. Now we are going to chant 2 Omkaras in one inhalation. Inhale. Second round, inhale. We are going to chant 3 Omkaras in single inhalation into 3 times. Inhale. Om, Om, Om. Second round, inhale. Om, Om, Om. Final round, inhale. Om, Om, Om. Now we are going to chant 4 Omkaras in single inhalation. Inhale. Om, second round, inhale. Om, 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 Om. Third round, inhale. Om, 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 Om. Final round, inhale. Om, 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 Om. Now observe the vibrations of the Omkaras. Your body is completely filled with the vibrations of the Omkaras. Observe the vibrations surrounding you. Observe the blissfulness inside you. Observe the silence inside you. Silence is the happiness. Happiness is the silence. Now gently, with the blinkings, open your eyes. Now, with the right thumb, we are going to rotate in left palm for 5 rounds like this. Then again, with the right with left. Now, we will rotate 5 rounds clockwise and 5 rounds anti-clockwise. And now feel the energy. The energy is increased surplus now. Some may not feel it. Okay, by practice, all of you can able to feel it. Thank you.